Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, people have been accusing Gogo Skhotheni that she did a ritual with her son, that ukuthwala ngumntwana, in order to get rich or maybe be successful, all of those bad things. So people have been accusing her, and it really doesn't make sense, guys. Like, if she wanted to do this, she would have done it a long time ago, because like, it's been 2 years, her son has been sick for 2 years now. They have been spending money at the hospital because like her son was staying in hospital all along, So like, I really don't understand people who are saying that ukuthwala ngumntwana, because she should have done that a long time ago. So Gogo Skhotheni has finally responded to people that have been saying that she did a ritual with her son, ukuthwala ngumntwana, in order to be successful, in order to be rich, or maybe be famous. She responded on Facebook, and she was just telling people the way it is, but Kesana, in the comment section, people were not believing her. People were just sticking to what they were saying, ukuthi girl, ukuthwala ngumntwana, and like, why would you waste a lot of money for the whole 2 years and then end up twirling with your son? Like, it really doesn't make sense. But yes guys, this is what Gogo Skhotheni wrote on her Facebook page to respond to the rumors ukuthi ukuthwala ngumntwana, that she did a ritual to get rich using her son. She said, guys, mamelani, God loves you. I suffered for 2.5 years with my son, but I got used to it. When he started getting better, God took him. He took him at a time where I was all over social media, angazi for what. And yes, kuyangifanela ukuthi ngithwale ngaye, cause I am a young sangoma who fortunately got blessed ngempilo and other things. Listen, I am not shaken by what people say. I know God loves me and I love him too. No situation, no pain, no tears will make me doubt him. If God was testing me, he tested the wrong one, because I will not leave. My faith is not shaken. So at first, people were accusing Ushebeshit that ukuthwala ngumntwana, he did a ritual to get rich, like. So now it's Gogo Skhotheni. So guys, the message continues to say, from day one, my son's condition was a medical condition. No sangoma was going to replace a tube. I was not bewitched. He was not bewitched. Stop giving sangomas credit or power they don't have. During my son's health, I never, not even once, thought of consulting about it. I knew they were going to tell me what I wanted to hear, because I was desperate for healing. I am here to tell you, don't let a situation overpower you. Stick to God no matter what. At least my son got to see my BBL. My life is a testimony and I am here for it. God's daughter, my ancestors' messenger. So this is the end of the message that she wrote on Facebook. Now, one thing about Gogo Skhotheni, guys, she will make jokes, okay? So now she made a joke, well, at least my son got to see my BBL, before this whole tragic happened. So she was just playing around, because she recently got a BBL, for those who don't know, but she said it's not a BBL, but she recently did something to her body, and she looks as gorgeous as always. So yes guys, this was Gogo Skhotheni responding to the rumors that she did a ritual with her son just to get rich, just to get successful and all of that. She was setting the record straight that she did not do any rituals, and also that her son has been sick for 2 years. They couldn't find any cure for him. So for people who are still thinking that she did a ritual or something, she was just letting them know that she didn't do anything. It was just God's will, and guys, I personally don't think she did anything. But guess Anna, please leave a comment in the comment section down below.